Today we are going to learn how to add a new add-on domain in cPanel. First, navigate toward Hostbella.com and then click on the control panel icon placed right next to the shopping cart icon on the top right menu. You will be redirected to the secure client login page. Enter your email and password and click Login. You will be logged into the Hostbella control panel. Here, visit the Services section present on the front page, which is Dashboard. Here you will see your hosting plans currently being used from the Hostbella. Click on the Hosting section, and under the Quick Shortcuts, you can click on the Add-on Domain, and this will take you to your cPanel Add-on Domain. Here, you will be able to see Create an Add-on Domain section. Write New Domain Name in the designated field, and for instance, newdomain.com. Then write the subdomain. We are going to keep it default. And document route should be the same, default over here. If you want to create a new FTP account here to link to your newly created domain, you can check this box here and enter the new FTP account. In this tutorial, we are going to keep it default. So uncheck the box and we are going to add this domain into our cPanel. Once you click Add Domain, you will be redirected to a new page and it will show that the add-on domain has been created. You can manage its file through the File Manager. Go back and you can log in directly to the File Manager from here. You can even manage your redirections by using a different URL if you want to redirect to some other website. For now, if we click on the File Manager, you will be able to see the root folder for the newly created domain. And that completes adding a new add-on domain on Hostbella account. Thanks for watching this video.